Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the Hytera PD412i. I've already taken all the components out of this box. We have the radio, the battery, the antenna, the belt clip, the wrist strap, the charger, and the power cord. So let's build this together. So first we have the radio and the battery. For this you'll want to slide up and press down at the bottom until you hear a click. The antenna will be a clockwise turn. For the belt clip, you'll have to unscrew the screws in the back and attach the belt clip. The wrist strap gets attached in this loop here. And this just helps for an extra drop protection. When you charge the radio, you'll want to make sure it's completely turned off so that way it'll help the life of the battery. To charge it, you'll want to add the power cord to the back. This is where the adapter is. And you can slide your battery into the slots. To check out this radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.